सूर्यवंशी का वैभव और पूरी दुनिया सोनी पर देखेगी.
On their leg side, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Big stakes on this young man. First ball, clear intentions. Hammers it, pass back over the bowler's head. Now that's a statement from Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Fireworks. Oh, smashes it. I'm sure he did not time it well, but it'll still have enough legs to cross the mid-wicket boundary. Opens up, inside out, over extra cover, all the way she goes. That's another six by Vaibhav Suryavanshi. This is great execution. Hammers it, but straight over the extra cover fielder's head. Make it 3 sixes in the over. This is murdering. This is not batting.
Goes flat batted shot once again. That's another boundary. 26 coming off the third over. Oh, lovely shot. Is it a one bounce four? Yes, indeed.
He goes again. This time he goes down. That's another six. Well, we are running out of words in the commentary box. We need to bring out the dictionaries. Oh, slower delivery. He still picks it up. And, well, we'll have to have a closer look at that again. And the hands goes up, and that's a half century. In 11 deliveries, this is surely a record by the universal baby boss, making a statement. Under pressure, he delivers in the big game. Oh my goodness. This is absolute carnage. Another boundary. Well, that's a cracking shot. Sounded absolutely brilliant off the bat. Well, over extra cover, inside out. None of the bowlers, they have an answer for this flow of runs.
Goes big again. Goes over the cover fielder. Another boundary. And in fact, it's all gone all the way. It's another six to Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Oh, just look at that. How effortless is that? Goes big again. Goes over extra cover. And that will be another half a dozen. I'm telling you, that record is now under threat. And he goes big, but he's finally been taken at mid-off. And that's a sign of relief for Sri Lanka.
Vaibhav Suryavanshi, he was hitting the ball to all parts of the ground. And the skipper brings himself on. 94 of 29. What a knock, young lad. India 132 for 1.